Running a service business today means juggling a lot of software, customer management, scheduling, accounting, marketing, messaging. Each tool does its job, but none of them talk to each other the way you wish they would. That means your team spends hours every week switching between systems, looking up information, and manually completing tasks. Now imagine something different. Instead of opening 5 different programs, you simply ask your AI assistant. You type something like, Garfield, follow up with today's estimates. Within seconds, Garfield finds the estimates, sends the follow-up messages, and logs the activity in your system. Behind the scenes, Garfield connects to the tools your business already uses. This works because Garfield is built around 3 simple layers. The first layer is the interface layer. This is where your employees interact with the system. Using a chat platform like Mattermost, your team can simply type requests the same way they would message a coworker. For example, someone might type, Garfield, send an estimate follow-up to John Smith. Garfield understands the request and begins the process automatically. The second layer is the agent layer. This is where Garfield does the thinking. Garfield interprets the request, decides what needs to happen, and determines which tools should be used to complete the task. The third layer is the tool layer. These are the actual software platforms your business already relies on every day. Customer management systems, scheduling software, accounting tools, marketing platforms, email and text messaging systems, and document storage. Garfield doesn't replace these tools. Instead, Garfield connects them together and makes them easier to use. When a request is made, Garfield sends instructions to an automation layer powered by N8N. This automation layer acts like a bridge between Garfield and your business software. Garfield triggers a workflow. The workflow calls the appropriate Application Programming Interface, or API, and the software completes the task automatically. Because these workflows are built visually, they are easy to manage, easy to expand, and easy to troubleshoot. This means your business gains powerful automation without losing control of the systems you already use. Think about the tools service businesses rely on today. Customer relationship management systems like Service Titan, Jobber, or Housecall Pro. Accounting platforms like QuickBooks or Xero. Communication systems for email and SMS messaging. Document platforms for storing photos, reports, and job documentation. Marketing systems for sending campaigns and reactivating past customers. Garfield can connect to all of these systems and perform tasks across them. For example, Garfield could create a new customer, schedule a job, send an estimate, and follow up with the client. Garfield could check unpaid invoices and automatically send payment reminders. Garfield could send appointment reminders, request Google reviews, or notify customers when technicians are on the way. Garfield could even launch marketing campaigns or re-engage customers who haven't booked a service in a while. Instead of employees logging into multiple platforms and repeating the same steps every day, Garfield orchestrates the entire process. The result is a business where your software finally works together. Your team spends less time navigating tools and more time focusing on customers, and your operations become faster, smarter, and far more efficient. Garfield becomes more than just an AI chatbot. It becomes the operational assistant for your entire business.